Hey guys, good morning. This is a continuation of our stocks by request. As promised, I'm doing the second tier, the second batch of your most requested stocks that you've posted via marvingurma.com or in all of my social media accounts. The first batch, the first tier was in Manila, where I've talked about now DBGI, HVN, SM, and URC. Now we're headed for the next five, the top five stocks for the second batch of stocks by request. I'll be doing a third batch. I'll be doing it naman in Dubai, probably 9 or 10 hours after this. So this is our first time that we're doing something that's been chopped up into pieces, into extensions from Manila to Hong Kong to Dubai. And just a trivia, this is my first time to do 5 countries in 2 days, from Iceland to London to Manila to Hong Kong, then to Dubai. So interesting. If you're viewing me for the first time, you can subscribe to my YouTube page or our Facebook fan page, so you'll be updated on all of this, all of the latest updates on the market or videos or stocks or whatever it is that's necessary to help you reach your goals of financial freedom. So now, the next stock that I'd like to tackle is Jollibee, JFC. It has been pretty much in our top stocks for most of this period. The thing about JFC is, from a position trading standpoint, the stock is still pretty much in an uptrend. Short, mid, and long-term oscillators, moving averages, price indicators are still showing us the trend is still pretty much up. So if you're a position trader, no sell signal yet as of this point. If you're a quick trader though, please note that we're experiencing a resistance at around 293, 294 to around 295 pesos per share. Should it fail to break out from that, you may expect corrections. You may expect it to retrace at certain points. However, oscillators though are now showing us, MACD in particular, showing us a change in direction downward. So for quick traders, failure to break out of 293 may result in you taking profits for the short term. Position traders, no sell signal yet as of this point in time. Next, Megaworld. So we're trying to do a holistic set of stocks that you have been asking. So from doing Jollibee, we're now going to do Megaworld. Megaworld has been in a pretty much 3-month, 4-month downtrend already. It peaked from somewhere around 5.8, 5.9 just a few months ago. MACD is still pretty much bearish. The trend is still pretty much showing us movement downward as well. Even price oscillators are still pointing downward. The only thing protecting it right now is the support at around 4.9 pesos per share. So here's the thing, if it stays above 4.9, it has a shot to rebound, it has a shot to reverse and continue to go up. If it bounces off 4.9, I believe it can probably go to 5.15 to around 5.25 over the short term. So please watch out for this. If you're a quick trader, bounce from 4.9, Meg can go to around 5.15 to 5.25. Fails to hold 4.9, the bearishness will pretty much continue over not just over the midterm anymore, but it will be the prevailing trend for Megaworld already. Alright, so we've had Jollibee, Megaworld. Now let's go for Tugs. Tugs, similar to HVN, similar to DBGI, has had its run. Now Tugs has broken out of the resistance of 5.26. I repeat, Tugs has broken out from the resistance of 5.25, 5.26. So if it stays above 5.25, I believe Tugs can go to around 6.5 as a target price. So please take note of this. 5.25 as a support level. If Tugs stays above 5.25, it can go to 6.5. If it fails to hold 5.25, it could probably retrace and go down to around 4 pesos per share. So please take note of this. Tugs, position trading perspective, the stock is still pretty much in an uptrend. From a position trading perspective, the stock is pretty much still trending up. If you're a position trader, we don't have any sell signal yet. From a quick trading perspective, watch 5.25. 5.25 does not hold, it can retrace to 4. If it holds 5.25, it can go to as high as around 6.5 pesos per share over the short term. So we have Tugs, Meg, JFC. Next, we're gonna talk about Wilcon. Wilcon, let me pull up the chart. Okay, Wilcon. From previous videos, I mentioned that it broke out of 9.5. As of the past 3 days, it's staying up and staying above 9.5, which is good for the stock. Please take note, if it stays above 9.5, our target price still stands at 11. I repeat, if Wilcon stays above 9.5, our target price is still pegged at 11 pesos per share. If 9.5 does not hold, it could probably retrace and go to 8 pesos per share. For position traders, no sell signal. You can continue to hold on to your positions as of this point in time. So quick traders, watch out for 9.5. 9.5 does not hold, retracement to 8. 9.5 will hold, target price is 11. Position traders, no sell signal as of this point in time as well. And lastly, everyone's favorite casino stock, Bloom for position traders. The stock is still pretty much bullish. Position traders, we don't have any sell signal yet for the stock. For position traders, hold on to your positions yet. There's no reversal signal pointing that the stock will go down as of this point in time. It's still pretty much trending up. Even price and momentum oscillators also are pointing that it's still bullish for the medium to long term. Now, from a quick trading perspective though, the stock is now at the resistance at 12.9. I repeat, the stock is now at the short-term resistance at 12.9 pesos per share. So if Bloom fails to break out from 12.9, there could probably be a retracement at around 11.9 pesos per share. I repeat, Bloom fails to break out of 12.9, it can retrace to 11.9 pesos per share. If you bought at 11.9 and it's now at 12.9 and fails to break out of 12.9, you may take profits for the stock. However, if it will break past 12.9, your target price will be now pegged at 14.2 pesos per share. So here's the progression: 12.9 does not hold, it can go to 11.9. 12.9, the stock breaks out of 12.9, can go to 14.2. Adjust your target prices to that. But if it breaks out of 14.2, it could go to 15.75 pesos per share over short to midterm. So that's it. Again, trade your plan. Don't follow your emotions. Follow the stocks that you're watching. Use the index as a reference, but ultimately it will be the technicals and the fundamentals of the stock that you are watching in particular, because you are buying and you are holding the stock that you own, not the entire index in general. So that's it. We've talked about JFC, Meg, Tugs, Wilcon, and Bloom for this stocks by request session. Part 3 will be in Dubai later on, 8 to 10 hours from now. I'm excited to be there again, excited to do Stock Smarts UAE. So if you haven't heard about the event there yet, I'll try to put the link below so you can join us as well. And I hope, I'm gonna board in a bit, but I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all soon. See you in Dubai. God bless you, and I hope that you guys reach your goals of financial freedom. So thank you.